you guys will see the amount of points you selected will now be loaded right into your account. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can increase the Snap score onto your Snapchat account. You guys can see here for demonstration purposes, I have a fresh Snapchat account with 0 Snap score, and I'm going to go ahead and increase that to 100,000 Snap score. And what you have to do is just go to your web browser and go to liftmyscore.info. You guys can see here, I'm typing in the website, liftmyscore.info. This is the website where you're able to increase your Snapchat score instantly. So what you have to do here is first, you guys can see the text that says username here. Go ahead and in that text field, enter your Snapchat username. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right over here. And once I go ahead and type in this username, I can then go ahead and hit the click to connect button. And once I do that, I can then select the score that I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait for it to connect to my Snapchat account. And once this connection has been established, I will then be able to select the score I want, which in this case, I want the most out of this website, which is 100,000. And now I'll go ahead and hit increase score, and now it's just going to go ahead and process your request and get you the amount of points that you selected and load it into your account, which, like I said, in my case, I selected 100,000, so I'm going to get my Snap score increased to 100,000. And you're going to have to do human verification, so go ahead, and to do that, just hit the verification button. And when you hit that verification button, you guys will see here that's going to go ahead and redirect you to a list of apps. So on this list of apps, all you have to do is install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So I'm going to go ahead and install this first app here, hit tap to install, and then it's going to go ahead, redirect me to the App Store, and then I can start installing this first app. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to load up in the App Store, hit the installation button, go back to the list and choose the second app, hit tap to install, same thing, redirects me to the App Store, and then I can, just like that, start installing the second app. And now, all I have to do is just wait for the installation of both of these apps to complete, which they're very small in size and they download pretty much instantly. Anyways, once the installation is complete, I can begin with this first app. So on this app, what I have to do is just make sure I'm on it for at least 30 seconds. And during the 30 seconds I'm on the app, I'm doing human interactions. And you guys can see here, I chose to achieve this simply by touching the cards. But the general premise of what I'm doing is to make sure you're not idle on the app, thus doing some sort of interactions on the app, which you guys can see, like I said, I'm achieving by interacting with the cards on this card game. And once I'm done with this first app, I can go into the second app. And you guys can see this is very fast. This is the last app I have to do to complete the human verification before I get the points loaded into my account. So what I have to do here is just go ahead and interact with the app for at least 30 seconds. And you guys can see here, I chose to just do this by signing up for an account. Once I have successfully created an account, it's been about 30 seconds by this time, so I can go ahead and get off the app, and now I've successfully completed the human verification. And once you successfully complete the human verification, you guys will see the amount of points you selected will now be loaded right into your account. And you guys can see here that 100,000 points are now being loaded into my account. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and remember to go on liftmyscore.info so you guys can increase your Snapchat score points.